Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because today we are going to study unit conversion of volumes. There are different type of conversions are required when we do the questions of finding volumes of different shapes. Out of which the first one which we are going to start, that is converting meter cube into liters, liters to meter cube, or liters to centimeter cube, or centimeter cube to liters. This is the first conversion we are going to study. After that we will come for meter cube to centimeter cube, etc. So first of all, we should remember that in 1 meter cube there are 1000 liters. Please do remember it. In 1 meter cube 1000 liters are there, and in 1 liter there are 1000 centimeter cube. We need to remember this relation in order to do the conversions. Now let's suppose you are doing one question, and at the end of question you got volume as, let's suppose, 25 meter cube, but you were doing it for some liquid and you were told to find the answer in liters. Then what would we do? We will just multiply 25 with 1000. It will be converted into liters. That means 25 meter cube means this is 25,000 liters. That's the first point. Very simple one. If you have answer in meter cube, just multiply with 1000. It will be converted into liters. And reverse. Let's suppose you are having some volume given as, let's suppose, 5000 liters, and you want to convert it into meter cube. Then what will we do? You just need to divide it by 1000. It will be converted to meter cube. That's very simple. These three zeros are cancelled. That means it is 5 meter cube. Now same is the thing for liters and centimeter cube. But yes, relation is important to remember, because in 1 liter you have 1000 centimeter cube. Let's suppose your answer is 12 liters and you want to convert 12 liters into centimeter cube. That means you are going to multiply with 1000. You will get centimeter cube, and hence 12,000 centimeter cube would be the answer. And reverse centimeter cube to meter cube, you will have to divide by 1000. For example, let's suppose we have 15,000 centimeter cube volume and we want to write it in liters. What will we do? We will just divide this 15,000 by 1000 to convert into liters, and hence it is 15 liters. So basic requirement is, in the starting of the lecture I told 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. We need to remember it. And 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now the question arises that, sir, how to convert from meter cube to centimeter cube? By chance I'm having meter cube as an answer, but I wanted to write my final answer as centimeter cube. Then do remember, everybody knows that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. But most of the students do mistake. They consider 1 meter cube is equal to 100 centimeter cube, which is wrong. If at all cube is there, cube means, let's suppose, cubing both sides. Let me do like this. Cubing both sides. What will you get? Just remember in this way, 1 cube will be 1. It becomes m power 3 meter cube, right? Now what will happen? 100 cube means 100 multiply 100 multiply 100, then centimeter cube. Check this relation. This is very important. 1 meter is having 100 centimeter, but if at all you are having 1 meter cube and you want to write in centimeter cubes, that means thrice you need to multiply by 100. Or we can say 6 zeros in total will be there when you will multiply. I'll give you an example. Let's suppose you have some answer as 30 meter cube. Now converting this answer into centimeter cube means you are going to multiply by 100, 100 and 100 three times. That means now it is converted to centimeter cube. This is a big confusion for students. They just do by 100. That becomes a mistake. And how many total zeros are there? 6 and 1, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count them carefully. Usually mistake happens in the writing zeros as well. So this is the answer. And now reverse, going back from centimeter cube to meter cube. Let's suppose your answer is 2, 3, 5, 9. Let's suppose this is the centimeter cube. But you are supposed to write your answer in meter cube. Just do reverse of it. To convert into meter cube, then you will have to divide by 100 three times. It will become meter cube. Reverse step we have done. Now count how many zeros are there. There are 6 zeros in the denominator. I am having already 2, 3, 5, 9. Then you will have to place 2 more zeros, then decimal. This is going to be the answer. Because depending upon 6 zeros in the denominator, you will place the decimal. After decimal, I should have 3 digits. Because of 6 zeros, after decimal, I should have 6 digits. I was already having 4, so 2 extra zeros I have to place. So this is all about the volume unit conversion. Liters, meter cube and centimeter cube. This is the game which everybody should learn to play, right? Otherwise mistakes happen in the questions. I hope you are able to understand the concept. Thank you so much for watching.